The question is, when you're a young man of 73, going on 47, and you hear the song by Neil Young, I'm Getting Old, he says, what the heck am I thinking? At 73, I'm getting younger. You know, at 73, I'm working on getting a better body. You know what it means? At 73, I'm working on getting a better body. That's the way it is. We eat mostly fruit. Keep your cooked food to a minimum. Because cooked food, especially meat, chicken, fish, dairy, eggs, stays in your system. Not 1 hour, but 100 hours. You know what that means? By the time you're 45, 50, you begin to flab. You know what that means? You begin to flab. You know what that means? You begin to flab because the body has all this weight from the cooked food, 2, 3, 4 pounds a day, and you cannot be pushed out. You know what it means? You're eating 2, 3, 4 pounds of food a day, and it can't be pushed out. It stays in your system. Fruit acts like a broom, man. It goes into your system and cleans it out. 2, 3, 4 times a day, you should be going. If you're going once a day, once every 2 days, once every 3 days, you can get old fast. That's the way it is. You need brooms. You need brooms of fruit to clean you out. You know what that means? You need brooms of fruit to keep you healthy. That's why it's almost impossible for me to get sick. Almost impossible. I'm not saying it won't. Almost impossible. Number one, I don't put any of that processed food in myself. Well, I do, just a little bit. I can't lie. I try to keep it to a minimum. My last meal, 5:36. Don't eat until 10 o'clock next night. That's 16 hours. 16 hours the body has to clean itself. You want medicine, start with 12 hours. You want herbs, start with 12 hours. I'm not saying it's not hurt, it's not going to help, but your body with no energy on digestion will work much faster. Something called a circadian rhythm. Now, ideally, in an ideal world, you know, we don't live in an ideal world, but in an ideal world, this is my opinion. It's all my books, what do you call it? I forget what it's called. Fruit, Love, and Wealth and Lifestyle Regeneration, something like that. The body will begin the healing process. So as you get older, you get younger. So I'm talking to those people in their 50s. They're starting to say, man, I'm getting old. You know, your body's not like what once was. Unless you eat mostly fruit, then your body is better. So you got a clear choice. You could dance and rock and roll and live your dreams, super excited. As long as you follow the protocol. God's garden, God's food, God's body, God's law. You gotta follow the protocol. If you don't follow the protocol, you're gonna feel it. You're gonna get aches, pains, soreness, no desire to rock and roll or be all. You'll work. But after work, you want home and rest. You gotta find an easy chair and flip on that TV. You'll go to your gym and work out to 10:30, 11 o'clock. It's not rational because you have all this food your body's processing. So, rock and roll, live the dream, super excited. If you're not going 2 to 4 times a day, you're not eating enough fruit. Start by adding fruit into your diet. That's all I can say. Add, don't subtract. Just add, and the body will take care of itself, especially for the morning. Anyway, I got to go to work pretty soon. Boom, boom, boom. I just felt inspired by the song Neil Young. You're getting old. Getting old if you don't eat fruit. What can I say? Do you want to be old or do you want to be young at 73 going on 47? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? You want to have a body better than you had when you're 25, 25 when you're in your 70s, right? Is that true? You want to rock and roll, you want to dance, boom, boom, boom. You don't want someone helping you up and down the steps. You want someone carrying your groceries, right? Is that what you want? What do you want? You want to be independent, rock and roll, live a dream type person. Anyway, that's all for now. Got to continue working. Bye.